what's for the future of Light of Mine Bakery and Kelsey Knowles?
I'm doing markets. They're coming up. I do them in Peyton, actually, about 10 minutes from where I live. They do markets out here called Front Street Market. It's so nice every year. I actually got introduced to it last year, before the bakery even had a name.
Oh,
So I I'm very grateful. I got introduced to it actually because I buy eggs from someone that lives out here, and
oh,
she coordinates the markets. So one day she asked me if I'm a baker, and I was like, kind of. And so she asked me if I was interested. I said yes, and I went to the first market that July or June or July, one of those. And I really loved it. It was such a fun year, and it ended on such a good note in September. Their last market was an Oktoberfest, and it just was so fun. I also did some markets out in Arvada, I think
oh,
is how
wow.
you pronounce it.
Yeah.
There's a brewery out there. That does markets. I think it's in just strictly like summertime. So I'll be doing that this year as well. So just markets coming up. I have a vendor showcase actually on the 24th, at Absolute Body Balance off of Woodman. So I'll be there with my goods, at their lovely location as well. So we've got a lot of markets coming up.
So now your markets are, do you ever do any in Colorado Springs? Or do you have any coming up in there?
I I'm still new to the market, so it's just me finding more in the springs, and I would love to be in attendance too. Um, Other than the one in Peyton, I don't really have any in the springs currently, but I'm always looking. So
So if
I just
anybody's watching this and has an opening for a baker in their markets, you got to contact Kelsey. So how do you tell us how we can get a hold of you?
So on Facebook, I have my business page, Light of Mine Bakery. I also have my business number, 719-822-0827. Or you can email me if those options don't work. My main People mainly contact me through my business page, or they call my number directly. I get some people that email because they can't find me on Google or anything. I'm not on Google yet. I'm on Facebook, and then I just recently made an Instagram for my business page. So I'm slowly making those. I have a website in the works. I'm not going to announce a date or anything since it is just me working it all out. But I have those things coming up. I have a new menu, well, a tweaked menu that I'm about to post in the next few days. It's finalized for the most part. I'm just going through and putting the prices on everything. So it's just a newer layout and some new options to choose from. So I'm excited to get that out there as well.
Yeah. Well, when you have it done, you'll have to let me know and I'll have to at least, let other, my subscribers know.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. So, any parting words or anything that you want my subscribers or listeners to know about you or your bakery that we haven't covered?
I do bread deliveries every week for people. I have certain days and time slots available, since it is filling up. So I do offer that, as well as if you want a dessert every week, I deliver that as well for a different price. So yeah, if you want sourdough, wheat bread, white bread, I'm working on some other options as well. I deliver straight to your door. The price comes with, it's a monthly, you pay one price a month, and that price is, the delivery is included in the price. So you just expect me once a week.
Right. Well, that's great. So we will, once you get the new menu and stuff, I can put that right in with your article that I'm going to write. And then when people land on it, they can at least see that and have your contact information, which I'll put on there anyway. But great. Thank you so much. It was so fun to have you on and let everyone know about you that may not, that is in my realm. And Kelsey, it was just great having you. Thank you.
I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Okay. Well, we'll be back with the Colorado Springs Town Tidings next